Yo, what's good, everybody? I'm gonna show you how to purchase a meme coin on Zoo.Fun. So Zoo.Fun is just a place where you can launch your cryptocurrencies real fast. A lot of meme coins are on here, so let's just check out what they got going on, right? Let's see, people are buying some coins. Let's just buy some random coin, right? I'm gonna buy this Net Luca coin. So first thing you do is just connect your wallet. I'm going to connect my Abstract Global wallet because I want to get some XP. Right, we're farming that airdrop, guys. All right, we're going to buy a little small amount. Do a nice little swap. All right. I'm going to approve the transaction. And it's all done. We did our purchase. Alright, they got a little chat right here, so you can write hi. I don't know where my message went, but my hi is there. It's supposed to be there somewhere. It's getting there. One day you'll see it, right? One thing about this is like you can't really see the buys and sells too much. Kind of sucks a little bit. Maybe if you click right here, let's check it out. There we go. There, that's where you see the buys and the sells. Although, yep, see the chart. Dev bought, dropped a little bit, doing what it do, right? So, cool coin, cool website, and I hope you guys start interacting with Zoo.Fun and farm this airdrop with me.